How to transfer data from Samsung S21 to iPhone 15 Pro Max. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to transfer all your important data like contacts, messages, photos, and more from your Samsung Galaxy S21 to your new iPhone 15 Pro Max using Apple's Movie to iOS app. Step 1. Prepare your devices. Ensure both your Samsung and iPhone are fully charged and connected to Wi-Fi. On your Samsung, download the Movie to iOS app from the Google Play Store. Step 2. Start setup on iPhone. Turn on your iPhone and begin the setup process. When you reach the Apps and Data screen, select Move Data from Android. Step 3. Connect devices. Open the Move to iOS app on your Samsung, tap Continue, and agree to terms. On your iPhone, tap Continue to display a code. Enter this code on your Samsung's device. Step 4. Select data to transfer. On your Samsung, choose the data you want to transfer, such as contacts, messages, photos, and calendars, and tap Next. Step 5. Complete the transfer. Wait for the transfer to complete. Keep both devices close together and plug it in during the process. Once done, tap Done on your Samsung and continue setting up on your iPhone. Optional: Transfer WhatsApp chats. To transfer WhatsApp chats, open WhatsApp on your Samsung, go to Settings, Chats, move chats to iOS, and follow the on-screen instructions. And that's it! You successfully transferred your data from your Samsung Galaxy S21 to your iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.